Hello, this is Nina Bailey in the Cal Baptist University Sociology class, and I'll be presenting a mass media analysis of Men's Health magazine. The target audience for Men's Health is men under 50, but primarily younger men aged 25 to 40 who aspire to a healthy, active lifestyle, sculpted bodies through physical fitness, and healthy eating. The magazine presents all things experienced by a male, including relationships, travel, and food. This advertisement suggests or represents agents of socialization and the family influence. Social groups and institutions, individuals, especially family, provide structured situations in which socialization takes place. Our families teach us how to become mature, responsible members of society, having the longest lasting influence on us. Family is our primary agent of socialization, is shown in this picture, emphasizing our most precious time with family. Additionally, this picture reflects a social triad, as you can see the father with his two children enjoying the beautiful beach. An additional advertisement was found in the article, which represents agents of socialization for depicting the family's influence. Shows here that men actually play an active role as parents and have that important influence on our younger children as they grow and become adolescents. They have limited outside influence, and those relationships with their father are very critical. The magazine also depicted an example of agents of socialization with peers. In our studies, in our class book, we found or read that peers often become more influential in our socialization as we age and our parents' influence decrease, our peer influences increase. This article depicts peers in spending time enjoying together, barbecue, and friendship. The article also had additional advertisements and articles that depicted agent of socialization for peers and peer influence, or what we might further read in as group cohesion, a force that binds members together. This picture depicts friends who travel and enjoy times out together. The article touched briefly on societal norms. Societal norms being rules and guidelines as to what kind of behavior are acceptable in a given situation. The magazine provided a societal norm guidance for men who are dating, urging normal, non-offensive behavior that is irresistible. So in this article, they are showing men, take it easy, don't be offensive, and that really is what is attractive to women. Socialization and achieved status is one that we have earned through our own effort and influences how others will respond to us. This article depicts a sculpted male image, superhero, shredded, and transform your body, 28-day programs, definitely celebrating the body image through an achieved status and the term superhero shred. The article also presented another focus on achieved status, and this was more of a subtle play on the you earned this drink. So that is an achieved status. You should buy this drink because you earned it. And I felt that was a marketing technique for achieved status. I found other articles in the magazine that appeared to appeal to a man's ego, and there were things like, grab your confidence back, set higher expectations. These were things that I found like throughout the magazine, and just being confident, having higher expectation, and this applies to the ego ideal, which upholds our vision of who we believe we should ideally be. The article also depicted socialization embodied status, which I found in this picture. It's a depiction of a Greek god in the God of Love pose is an example of our physical selves as it appeals to men, I believe, as a sign of male beauty. When they see this, they see this as strength and character and beauty and attractiveness from a male perspective, how they're exhibiting those attributes. The article touched briefly on impression management. Impression management, we say and we do what we think is necessary to communicate who we are and what we think. We refrain from saying and doing things that we think might damage the impression we want others to have of us. And you'll notice in this article, it says, every hero sweats. Some just never show it. And I feel that in socialization with men and emotions, work and feeling rules, men are also taught to suppress those emotions. This advertisement encourages not showing your emotions. And that's the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.